ACHR Aviation, first quarter 2025, earnings call, Monday after hours. The biggest live eVTOL show on the internet. You don't want to miss this. Hey up everyone, welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I'm Vaz. Do you know what time it is? It's time to start talking eVTOLs. Today's video will be short, sweet and personal. I would like to give you my own expectations and opinion on the coming earnings call for ACHR. Just do not follow me for financial advice. Have your own investment strategy, do your own due diligence, use multiple sources and resources of information. Do use me, obviously, but don't use me as your sole source of information, because I could be wrong sometimes. It happens very rarely, but sometimes it happens. I just finished, it's Wednesday night in the UK, and I just finished the Joby earnings call. I think Joby are much better set up in terms of with their balance sheet. They are much better set up with their test flight progress. They are much better set up with their certification progress. Their testing fleet, their aircraft fleet, and probably their manufacture facility as well. We didn't hear anything negative, yet there was zero reaction to the stock price after hours. And I spent hours, I don't want to say hundreds of hours, but last 2 weeks, and especially the long weekend because we had bank holidays, and then I booked the Friday before the weekend off as well, of work. So I had 4 days when I was probably 8-9 hours just studying the sentiment around the eVTOL stock market. And I think ACHR Aviation will sell off after hours, if not on Monday already. And I was preparing for this, or I have been preparing Friday and Monday pre-market, Friday afternoon and Monday pre-market, and Wednesday on the Fed's report, I sold about 70% of my position. I'm waiting for the price to cool down, because if the earnings goes bad and ACHR will start selling off, this could well be the trigger point of the big eVTOL market cool down, which I have been predicting for ages. So I'll be prepared for much better buying opportunity. However, I could be wrong, could be completely wrong, and Adam Goldstein will pull out a rabbit out of his hat and the stock will go through the roof, and the next day we will be hitting $12. I could be completely wrong. However, I am still ready for the better option as well, for the better scenario. I'm still holding certain position, which I'm happy to trim all the way up and hold if it reaches through certain levels. So have your own investment strategy, do your own due diligence. Join me for the earnings call Monday after hours, the biggest live eVTOL show. I can't stress this enough. You don't want to miss this. The day after, Tuesday, pre-market, exclusive live show for Vertical Aerospace, first quarter report as well. Nobody talks about Vertical Aerospace. The only channel informing regularly about Vertical Aerospace is Vertical Aerospace. Oh, and us, through me and Martyn and Sensei. Synergy, baby. So you don't want to miss that either, because we will find some interesting information. And there is a new thing coming. Unless this video comes out on Saturday or Sunday, join me on Saturday morning, UK time, it's lunchtime, United States, it's morning, for my first ever live eVTOL show. You know what Sensei does on Sunday evening? I'm doing this on the opposite end of the weekend, when everybody is hungover and everyone is having a lay-in and nobody will be bothered. So I'll be doing that. That's my prime time. So join me. I'll be talking about the earnings, but also I'll be talking about a lot of interesting stuff. I would love to engage with you, and if you ask me questions, I'm more than happy to answer. That's it. Here, It's a very important video for Archer Aviation and the coming earnings call. Here's another important video for Archer Aviation and the coming earnings call on Monday after hours. That's it for now. I'll see you soon. Take care of yourselves and each other.